How could a to the power of 0 be 1? Let's start at non-zero a. Okay, so let's start there. A to the 5 is a times a times a times a times a. 5 a's there. But I could also say a to the 5 is 1 times all of those a's. What happens with a to the 4? I'm basically taking out an a, and now I have 4 a's, but I could also put 1 times again, and that would be totally correct. I could do the same thing for a cubed, right? It's only going to be 3 a's in that sequence, but I could put a 1. Do it again for a squared. 2 a's in that sequence, put a 1. 1a for a to the power of 1, but I'm dividing by a again. So what happens if I take out all of my a's? I'm still left with 1. So a to the 0 is 1. I can also do it this way. I could say, okay, a to the 0 is equal to a to the n minus n, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1, whatever you want. That's going to be a to the n divided by a to the n. Since both of these are the exact same, that reduces to 1. There you go.